Cabana Club, which is now Camp Margaritaville, is a place we fell in love with. This is what we thought the resorts in Florida would be like. We came in for a conference for a few days and left months later with so many memories and some great friends. Camp Margaritaville has so many activities for everyone in your family. There's a splash pad, a playground, a pool with a slide, a tiki bar, a putt-putt, and many activities for the kids throughout the day. On weekends, they have live music, DJs, and food trucks for everyone to enjoy. They really have it figured out on how to run a resort. They're still expanding and improving, so you have to deal with the construction noise, but it's worth it.
Alright, so we're at a Why Not Paint. Here's our blank canvas paints. This is what we're going to be painting. Wish me luck. I need to. Alright, here is progress. So far, so good.
I'm okay with it. I love it.
Alright, here's our progress. Hunter is exploring. He thinks he needs to run. This is why I lost my baby weight so fast. Running after him. Alright, here comes Lily. She's coming down. She's made it down so many times. Alright, this is Hunter's first time down the slide. We'll see what his reaction is. Woo! Yay, buddy!
Oh, with the help! Oh man, if it wasn't for that guy's foot.
'Hunter entered himself into a limbo competition. Okay, go, go, buddy, go! Yeah! We have night craft time. We're doing slap bracelets and we are doing puzzles. Girls are just playing in the sand, the playground. Hunter keeps going up and down all the slides, so Colin's chasing after him.
I just want to provide. I know how I can do. Not that I don't know.
This is all the kids on a Friday night. This place is all about the kids. Even Hunter. Go, Hunter, go!
We said our see you laters to all of our new friends and packed up to head to our next stop.
So at the Cabana Club, you can see right back here is the actual, the premium sites that overlook this cable park. And you just come right out the entrance, take a little bike ride or a walk right down the road. And they got this nice little patio. A lot of times you have people out here practicing. Got some little kickers and everything for them to practice. And they say it's really good food. We got a couple things ordered here. Got a po' boy, Lily got a cheeseburger. And I got a bowl.
Rice bowl.
Rice bowl, that looks really good. So we're gonna dig in and have a little food overlooking the park here.
Alright, so we decided we're gonna surprise Lily and take her to Legoland. She has no idea. She's been asking to go to Legoland since we made it to Central Florida, and so now we're finally gonna take her. She thinks we're going on a hike because she has actual tennis shoes on. So she says hike or ice cream, so she's gonna be pretty surprised when we make it to Legoland. Alright, Lily, how was part one of your surprise?
Good, I loved it.
What was it?
Donut.
Do you think you know what part two is? What do you think we're gonna go do?
A hike.
You think we're gonna go do a hike? Do you want to do a hike? Yeah.
You think it'll be a long hike?
Yeah, because we need steps.
Because we need to get our steps in.
Where do you want to go? Legoland? We're at Legoland.
Oh, you're loud.
See, I told you it's not too far.
It's not too far. We could go to Legoland still.
Yeah, it's not too far, Mom.
Alright, if you insist, we'll go. She's not excited at all, huh?
Lily's going on her first ever roller coaster. She has to go with Colin, so we'll see how she does on her first ever roller coaster. This day might be over real quick.
There they are! They made it! How'd we do, Lily?
Hunter decided he was gonna crawl through the exhibit. He wanted to go to Vegas.
Yeah. Hey, this Mustang made out of Legos. That-
194,900 standard Legos.
No, I can't open.
Don't try and open it. Alright, well, I got distracted by all the pirate ships here and the little battle they have. Pretty cool. The fort.
Welcome aboard, riders. Engineers, ready to go. Enjoy your trip around Auburndale Valley.
Alright, Lily loved it, so she said, I want to go with Mom. I'm making Mama go up now. This thing moves up and down quick enough. When you get to the top, it like tosses you off the seat just a hair. When you like starts going back down, it's pretty fun. Hunter is done. He just sack of potatoes. So we're taking turns running Lily on these roller coasters and stuff. But they just went to check out the Dragon. It's a big roller coaster, but we'll have to see it. I don't think they had a good time today.
This is the aftermath of a day at Legoland. Hunter even napped at Legoland.
Here's a little craziness from our family. Tune in next week as we stay at a couple more resorts, harvest house stays, and even a hotel while we make our way out of Florida.